Hi, this is Dan Grimes, and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Mortgage Angler. Today we're going to talk about why you should use a local lender as a borrower. We're going to cover connections, reliability, expertise, personalization, and extra benefits. When you work with a local lender, benefiting from many established connections across the community. As you probably realized already, buying a home requires several professionals. It requires real estate agents, home inspectors, and attorneys, just to name a few, that will help you get the job done. Local lenders like myself will be able to connect you with these professionals with good reputations. Sellers and real estate agents may even prefer to accept a offer that is funded by a local lender, especially if they've had a previous relationship with this lender. Reliability. As a local lender, I have an extra added incentive to make sure that you have excellent customer service. We also have to keep in mind that our reputation is on the line in the community and provide a great job and great experience for you as a borrower. I want to ensure that your financing is on time as well as your closing is on time. Expertise. As a local lender, I understand the region that I work in. I understand the local laws that could affect your purchase. And I also understand the conditions of the local real estate market. As an example, the other day I spoke to a realtor who's a friend of mine who works out of Alabama. Their market down there is very, very slow, and there's a lot of houses on the market versus up here in Massachusetts, there's not a lot of properties on the market and there's bidding wars. As a consumer, this gives you the advantage that I am a local lender and understand my market versus somebody else who works the entire country. Personalization. This may seem small, but the benefit to you is that you'll be able to contact me when you have pressing questions. The last thing you want to do is hold on the line in an 800 number and wait for automated voicemail and then have someone call you back 2 or 3 days later. You can also set up an in-person meeting. We can review your information at my desk, or you can call me on my cell phone at any time, 7 days a week. And by doing something like this, it's going to stimulate the local economy in a homegrown business. Last thing I want to talk about today is extra benefit. For you as a consumer, the extra benefit is that I know the local area programs. Unlike the large, huge conglomerates that lend throughout the country, I lend in one area only. And this area provides special state incentives that I know about. This benefit will help you with down payment assistance, better interest rates, and lower mortgage insurance payments. These programs that are available to you as a consumer are local to us as lenders. I hope you learned a lot about why to choose a local lender. And please, as always, subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Mortgage Angler. Have a great day.